Hello and welcome. We got something special for you today. It's not really all that special. We're going to try acrylic pouring today. So I've done a little bit of this already. I'm still pretty new to it. I've only been doing it for like a week. And I've managed to get, a few decent results and a lot of not so decent results. But we're gonna try a ring pour today. See how it turns out. So I'm using, for the base coat, Permanent Black by Master's Touch. And then for the colors, we're going to use some gold, some pearlized dark green, some pearlized white, and some pearlized wine red. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So our painting is all dry. I've let it dry for a couple of days now. It looks all right. I'm definitely not gonna put it up for sale just because, while it looks okay, it's kind of more of a hang on my own wall kind of painting. So I'll probably put either some lacquer or some probably resin I'll probably put resin on it to make it nice and glossy. Not bad, considering I think this is actually the first ring pour I've ever done. Usually I'll do a flip cup. I've tried and failed swiping a couple times. Getting a little better at that though. And I'll be doing some swipes in a couple of my next upcoming videos. But yeah, I'll do I'll close the video on a close-up of this bad boy, and that's that.